Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how you can upload an Exe Learning activity to the learning platform called graasp.eu. First, you need to open your Exe Learning activity, and it's important for you to remember that you need to convert it to a web page format. First, you need to make sure that the advanced mode is engaged, so you go to the right upper corner and check this box, and you have this warning. Click OK. Now go to File, Export, Website, Self-Contained Folder. So you click on it. You get this warning about the content of the material. Click Yes. Choose a location for your folder. Give it a name. Since this is about leisure time, I'm going to call it leisure. And press Enter. See that a window popped up? This is what the activity is going to look like in web page format. You have the different pages and activities, but right now this is only working offline on my computer, so no one else would have access to this material. So it needs to be hosted. I'm going to close this tab and go to Graasp. It's graasp.eu. This is a learning platform that allows you to share learning materials, and you could even teach a course right from this platform. And you can create an account for free. Right now I already logged in, but it's the normal procedure. You need an email, a username, a password, and so on, and you can create an account. So once you log into Graasp, you will see something like this. This is your home. If I had more resources here, they would be visible here. Right now, this area is empty, and I only have this plus button for creating items. So I'm going to click on it. I have three choices: create space, activity, or ILS. So I'm going to go with space, create space. You need a name. It can be leisure. Again, you click on create space. Now I need to enter the space, so I'm going to click on it. Okay, now it says add content. I need to go to the folder that contains my activity. So I have leisure activities, so all the files for this unit are here. So something that you can do is to go to edit, select all, and then drag and drop the files here. So I'm going to drag and drop, and see all the files are being uploaded to this platform. This may take a few seconds and even a couple of minutes, depending on the amount of files that your unit has, and if it has large files such as audio. So you see all the files are being uploaded one by one. It seems everything is here. Let's check. Okay, see some images and audio recordings are still being uploaded, so you need to make sure that absolutely everything is already online before we go to the next step. See, the largest file, which is an MP3 file, is still being uploaded. See the progress bar. So we need to give it a couple of seconds. Okay, and it seems that now we have everything that we need here. Okay, a crucial step now is to make this visible. See that it has this label private. It comes from this icon, the members, the person icon, and you have this little drop down menu. So you click and change it to public. Anyone can view this space. You get this warning. Click OK. Okay, now you need to locate a file called index. So this is in alphabetical order, so it should not be too complicated to find. And here we are, index.html. So you click on it, and you will see the home page of your activity. Okay, our final step is to click on Raw. You click on the button Raw, and now this is online. You see that the URL is a bit long, but now you can share it with your students via email, Facebook, for example, a WhatsApp group, another learning platform, or you can copy this URL and go to a website such as tinyurl, and you can shorten the URL to make it more manageable. So make tinyurl, and now you can copy this. It's a shorter version now that you can share with your students. You could even customize the URL to contain a keyword for students to remember more easily. Now there's another option that I would recommend, and it is to create a QR code. So for example, you look for a QR code generator on Google. For example, the first hit you get is a good option, qrcodegenerator.com, and see that there are different resources that you can turn into a QR code. This is a URL, so I'm going to paste my URL, and now I get this QR code, and I can download it as a JPG image, and I could give the students a piece of paper, a handout with this code, and they could scan it with their cell phones, and they will be redirected to the activity that I just uploaded to Graasp. So I hope this helps you publish your own Exe Learning materials.